Doing team, my name is Romeo the Professor, and I want to show you this coin that I bought. I didn't tell people about it. It's called PORNROCKET. I'll tell you what it does, but first, I've been riding this coin for a while now. I got in it for a while now, so I'm going to take $2,000 and throw it into USD, and then I'll tell you about it. Yeah, let me throw $2,000 into USD. No, 3,000. I'm gonna bring it to 4,000. So DAP. It's on a pancake swap, so it's called Porn. Hold on, let's find it. PORNROCKET, and I want to do BUSD, and I want to do. It was 7,000, so I want to do 3,000. Okay, PORNROCKET 3,000. Good. All right, my name is Romeo the Professor. Oh, ay. Hold up. Let me put that one behind here. Let's see if it'll go. It should, please. Looks like it's gonna go. My name is Romeo the Professor. You can click the link in my bio. You'll see my YouTube channel. I normally do this for the YouTube for some of my students. My name is Romeo the Professor. So right there, you saw that I just now put porn into stablecoin right here, Binance stablecoin. So my Binance stablecoin now is 50,000. So let's go find porn. Porn is 3,500. So, okay. So remember it was 75 or something like that. I took 4,000. So PORNROCKET. What is it all about? Okay, first, we don't know where the market cap is. Okay. And first, when we look at all time, right here, we see we're at all-time highs. And if we look when the coin started, let me bring my head down, it's June 2nd. So it's a new coin, 2021. It's not too old. So PORNROCKET is a revolutionary coin. The way the adult entertainers share their saucy content with their fans and monetize their influence through a subscription-based offering. So this is pushing subscription-based offering. Okay, so we go to the website. All right, let's go to the new website that they clicked. So powered by PORNROCKET, 0% fees for creators and privacy for users, bringing the creator and the fan closer even before. Why choose nsfw.app? Given the sensitive nature of the adult industry, the app's purpose unique is a decentralized blockchain technical solution combined with institutional safeguard that guarantees copyright for creators. Okay. Now, our goal is to revolutionize how adult content is marketed and consumed in line with the ongoing disruptive innovation in retail banking, film streaming, and hospitality. Built on blockchain, zero creator freeze, content protection. I like that. User privacy. We love that. And here's our the strategic advisors. Okay. The new era of safety. Okay. PORNROCKET with Fiat through exchange offering quick and seamless access. So it's fairly new. Market cap is 109 million, 65K holders, 4 major exchanges. Okay, so it's doing its thing. Subscribe, share, follow, by the way, people, if you're not following. And there's their partners, Television X, Safe, Sexpo is huge, Sex Mama, So go back up. So that's what the coin is. And then I don't have too much of my portfolio in it, as you can see. I have just enough where each time I'm making money, I'm scraping. My name's Romeo the Professor, and I just now talked to you about PORNROCKET, Romeo the Professor. Thank you. Follow, share, subscribe.